In this video lecture, let us understand what is meant by zero energy concept. Zero energy concept is a new development that is taking place in the Western countries, and we don't have such a developed concept in India, but still that is the need of the day. What is zero energy building? That is, in short form, it is called as a ZE. A zero energy building is also known as zero net energy ZNE or net zero energy building NZEB. So the zero energy means the energy what is required for the whole building, that is energy consumption, is made use from the amount of non-renewable energies sources. So this type of concept is already there in Western countries, and all developing countries have been given guidelines to adopt this system, so that the energy consumption due to fossil fuel can be reduced effectively. Moreover, the global warming or the greenhouse gas emission can be controlled easily. So, what are the technologies that are used to achieve this one? We can use heat pumps, the high efficiency windows and insulations. So, when we are using, you should use such a type of windows that give the illumination or the intensity of the light is sufficient by natural means. Even the painting of the room can be adopted effectively, so that it can be done without any more lighting system required. And moreover, solar panels for the electricity generation or wind energy, even heat pumps can be used in this regard. So in the sketch you can see a typical house. The wind turbine has been adopted, the solar panels have been done. In the second sketch you can see here the heat pumps have been used for pumping the water. LED lightings are adopted within the building to reduce the energy consumption. Whenever I am using a photovoltaic system, a inverter is a must, and the selection of the paint, selection of the insulation, right, that also depends on the climatic conditions. So the zero energy building are not only driven impact of the energy environment, but surely it increases on the financial management. Whenever the GDP, we are talking about the budget or the gross development potentials of a nation, this plays a very important role. So this has been already implemented, as I told, in the European Unions, and this has been to be a standard by 2020, but because of the COVID, it might not have achieved by 2020. It may be delayed one or by 2 years. So every time when we are talking about a fossil fuel consumption, there will be increase in the greenhouse gases, and the terminologies used somewhere in a net as a net zero, and somewhere it is a zero net, but the principle or the main motto or the scope is the same for both the terminologies. It is maybe varying from place to place or country to country, but the working principle or the adoption of the zero building is the same. So by this one we can actually save 40% of the fossil fuel energy. It has been proved in US and European nations. So, which is a very good example to combat the carbon emission in overall in the globe. Although the zero energy building remain limited, even developed countries, they are gaining importance, as I told. So India is moving towards this one to achieve this zero energy building by 2030. The most zero energy building use electric grid for energy storage. So that is a very important concept has been adopted. Whenever we talk about the solar, there is no energy storage, only for the hot water bath or for cooking purpose we take, but we can think about storing in oil and using a heat exchanger to exchange the heat from that heat exchanger whenever there is no solar illumination. So that requires energy storages. The building that are using this concept are called as energy plus building, and sometimes it is also called as low energy houses. The development of modern zero energy building become possible largely through the progress made by the new energy and construction technologies. So it is not needed only the new houses has to be developed with this concept. The existing houses also can implement by providing the insulation, proper insulation, or having the solar panels and heat pumps. So the performance is of a parameter. For advanced computer model, it predict the efficiency of the boiler engineering designs are being adopted effectively. So zero building energy is a part of a smart grid. The advantages are that integration of renewable energy resource, and we can plug to the electrical vehicles, and also as I told earlier, the building high efficiency energy building structure actually produces more greenhouse gas as a basic code of complement to the carbon intensive material that are used. There are two types of balances. One is the balance of energy. In these cases, in the zero building, is a balance of delivered or imported and exported energy, and second one is a balance between energy demand and energy generation. The most cost-effective building energy consumption usually occur during the design processes. So we can use a passive solar testing or artificial or fake conditioning, and only on the combination of the same thing. Here, whenever we are using a 3D building, sophisticated 3D building energy simulations are being used to say to check the variables such as building orientation, window, door type placement, overhang depth, etc. The efficiency of the heating, cooling, lighting and other equipment as well as local climate are taken into account while building such a concept. The futures vary depending on the climatic zone, as I told. So heat recovery system is one of the best requirement of the day, because see some recovery system which can be done in the domestic cases are when we take an item from the refrigerator, it is very cold. If you take to the burner directly, these will actually need some fossil fuel to be heated. Rather, if I keep that item, bring to the atmospheric condition, then to the burner, then my fossil fuel saving can be done. This can be done thinking of a heat recovery system. If I'm having a generator in house, that the flue gas exhaust can be used to heat the water, by which I can use for the washing the clothes or for the dishwasher, or similar applications, so that the fossil fuel consumption can be reduced drastically. So in addition to this one, the daylighting or sky lighting or solar tubes can provide 100% daytime illumination within the home. With the fluorescent and LED lighting, we can use 1/3 or less power of the lighting power requirements. For example, refrigerate exhaust to recover domestic water, ventilation, and drain the heat exchanger. As I told, this the refrigerators gives the heat to the sink, which is going to the atmosphere. Rather, if I use, other than air cooled, if I use a water cooled refrigerator, water can hold this heat, and this heat can be used for the washing machine. It can be used for the dishwash cleaning, or even for the other bathing purpose and etc. So by this one we can save the global warming to the atmosphere. Also we can save the energy requirement. Energy can be also be harvested with the solar thermal collectors, and heat pumps are coming a big concept. So if for irrigation purpose also we can use solar pumps instead of using a electricity pumps. Moreover, the whenever there is a change, whenever solar is not available, a wind turbines can be thought about for the replacement of solar, and biofuel and biomass gas generation for the cooking purpose or for the electricity of the grid can be effectively adopted. The advantages are the isolation of the building owners from the future energy price increases, and increase of comfort due to more uniform interior temperature, and we can also see there is a reduction in the cost of ownership due to improved energy efficiency, reduced total net monthly cost of the living, reduced risk of loss for the grid blackouts, and minimal or no future energy price increase for the building owners, reduced requirement for energy. Also, we can see that seasonal changing of the climate can be improved in this respect. Let us see what are the disadvantages of this system. The initial cost is higher and effort required to understand, because it has to be made understand to the public and application, because the cost is very high. The return or the payback period may be a little bit larger comparatively. Therefore, it has to be told to the general public effectively. Very well designers or builders have necessary skill or experience to this concept, so that the expertise of those in this field has to be estimably used for these purposes across the globe. Possible decline in the future utility company renewable energy cost may lessen the value of capital invested in the energy efficiency. And we know that whenever I'm using a photovoltaic solar cells, the efficiency of those photovoltaic cells are very less. So in this regard, somebody has to work on this one to increase the efficiency, so that the overall efficiency of the solar equipments can be increased into a better figures. Challenges to recover higher initial cost or resale building has to be introduced in the coming. So in this regard, we have to work a lot to develop the requirement of the day by adopting new technologies in the northern or southern hemisphere, where we are facing the shade or wooded surroundings, and also wherever it is required, we have to we have to combine 2 or 3 systems together to work effectively. That is a new challenge.